Laser welding is quickly becoming one of the most popular welding options in the world. Low maintenance, high welding rates, and low to no consumables makes laser welding the ideal choice. However, very high costs have kept laser welding from becoming a solution for everyone. Not anymore. The Dado laser welder is the first affordable laser welding system with the capabilities to perform many laser welding tasks. With a simple plug-and-play setup, you are up and welding in a matter of seconds. Settings are simplified to 12 easy-to-change power settings. The Dado includes the ability to control the welder using your smartphone as the screen, with an app available for both Apple and Android. The Dado can complete welding jobs with ease, such as retipping, adding filler wire, thermocouples, simple weld seams, and even working with silver. The Dado is water-cooled for handling the workload of most jewelry stores. Just because it's small and affordable doesn't mean it doesn't pack a punch. And it's designed to last the same as any other laser welding system. And as always, includes a 2-year warranty. Get all the benefits of laser welding in a small, affordable, and portable package with the Dado.